Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Apple suggestions while sharing on the iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So if you have another iPhone other than 12, don't bother. It is going to work and look the same as on mine right now. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and go to the Siri and search. While you're on here, go down and here you have this option called suggestions from Apple. So you can enable or disable. Now it is enabled, now this is disabled, the Apple suggestions from sharing. So when you are going to turn this feature off, you're not going to get any suggestions from Apple if you're gonna share something, and now you're going to get it. So now it's on, now it's off. Again, how to get to the setting. So open settings, swipe down, go to Siri and search, swipe down, and here you are going to find it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.